ด็กหญิงพัชรพร ชัยเร My nickname is Mina. I'm in 5th Latin in Anban Content School. Today, I'm gonna present about myself. I want to go to Japan because it's so pretty and it has flowers like that. And I want to go China too. But my uncle said I cannot go because it's so cold. Yeah. And next, we're gonna go to talk about of Switzerland I go. It is so beautiful and have a city and it have nothing. I go that it don't have snow because I'm going in February. Yeah, about like that. And I go to tour with my family, but my mom cannot go because she works in Thailand. Yeah. And my uncle said when I'm test is good or perfect or pass, I will go to Hokkaido. I'm so happy and that I want to go. And next is in my school. My school is have my friend. My best friend is named Anya. She wants to come my home and I teach her dance. I like to dance and I like to sing too. When I grow up, I want to be a singer and dancer. I like that. My friends is have 3 persons. Is have Anya, Pell, and Buncho. Pell and Buncho don't come in my home because they cannot come because it's habit to study in Saturday and Sunday. And that in Monday to Friday. Or I study hard and I do the homework so very good. And my teacher, she said I'm very good about of things on homework. That this is my